game is called Howdy Partner. So the goal here is to find all the partners of 10. So here we have a 2 and an 8 that's a partner of 10, a 6 and a 4 that's a partner of 10, and a 9 and a 1 that's a partner of 10. Wow, this is a good hand. And also we have 10 plus nothing is a partner of 10. So there are a lot of combinations to pick up on here. First of all, we're going to use a deck of cards and 2 6-sided dice. And we are going to build up our game mat. And our game mat here consists of a 2x4 array. So our cards are nicely organized. And it is a 2-player game. So player 1 is going to go, and player 1 has a lot of different opportunities. However, they can only choose one. At the end of the game, our goal is to get as many cards as possible. However, when it's your turn, you can only pick up one pair that make a 10 or a 10 itself. And then you'll get to roll and you have an opportunity to earn a bonus card. And we'll get to that in a moment. So let's have player 1 go. Let's see, player 1 is going to take the 8 and the 2 because 8 and 2 make 10. And the goal here is to be able to identify those partners of 10 right away. So player 1 took their turn. Now they get their bonus roll as an opportunity to pick up one extra card. So they roll. Player 1 can add these 2 dice together. So a 2 and a 1 make 3. So here I will be looking for a 7 because a 7 is a partner with 3, and I don't have that. But I have some other opportunities. I could either use the 2 and find the partner that matches with a 2, or I could use a 1 and the partner that matches with a 1. And on this game board, we actually have that. 2 and 8 and 9 and 1. Even though there's a 1 here, I can't use that right now because I'm only using what's with the dice here. So I think I am going to choose my 2 and 8. So I will only get to pick up the 1 card 8. I put it in my discard pile. My turn is over, and I am going to kindly redo the game board. So that way, player 2 has a 2x4 array. Okay, player 2, before player 2 rolls the dice, player 2 is going to see if they have an opportunity to pick anything up. Now, there are a lot of options. 10, 10, 6 and 4, 9 and 1, or 6 and 4. Now, remember, player 2 can only pick up one choice here. Now, if player 2 picks up this 10, it's only going to give them 1 card because we don't have any zeros in our deck. So we just understand if there's a 10, you get to pick it up because 10 and 0 make 10. So I think for us, from a strategy point of view, I am going to take the 6 and the 4 because it will produce 2 cards. Put it in my discard pile off to the side. Player 2 has an opportunity roll. Player 2 rolled a 6 and a 6. Now, if player 2 adds these together, that makes 12, so that's not going to work. So player 2 is going to have to make a 6, and player 2 needs to find 6 and 4 make a 10. Now, 3 and 1 is 4. However, we can't take that because we are actually just looking for the 4 to match up with this 6. So that we can't take. Player 2's roll is over. Player 2 kindly fills in the game board. So there's a 2x4 array. And it's player 1's turn. And that's how you play Howdy Partner. Enjoy. Now on here, we don't have any specific pairs of 10. And we know 5 plus 3 plus 2 make 10. However, that's not a pair of 10, so we can't take that. This is a good opportunity to use my 1 card that's a 10 right here. My opportunity roll, 5 and 5 make 10. Now here, as I rolled this, I realized I have 6 and 4, which I had 6 and 4, which would have produced 2 cards. But instead, I chose the 10. I need to look more carefully next time. I'm going to use this 4 and put it on the 6. And it's actually a good idea to show that this is the partner of 6, to put it right on there before you take the dice off and the card away. The next player gets the cards ready. And I'm going to be more careful this time. 7 and 3. Then I roll. And I have 6 and 4. Then I reorganize. Our pile is getting really low. Okay, let's see. Okay, I am going to take the 9 and 1 because it will produce 2 cards. I'm going to roll. Oh, here we go. 5 and 5 make 10. I get the bonus card. And I only have 1 more card to fill in for my partner, so I think I'm going to tidy this up. My partner goes. My partner sees a 7 and 3. It's 2 cards. Bonus roll. Oh, that makes 10, but we can't use that. However, we can use the 6 and the 4. Okay, we have no more cards to put out here on the deck, so player 1's turn. Obviously, they're going to pick this up. Now, here's a great opportunity to talk about what do I need to roll to be able to pick this card up, because we don't have any zeros here, so that won't be able to be picked up. So what am I looking for with the 2? These are great conversations to have with your students and children at home. Ooh, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. Nice. And then the last card goes to player 2. And this is how you play Howdy Partner. Enjoy.